Hi everyone. Today we are going to look at how to generate pictures from one of the best AI tools. Remember, it's totally free. Blue Willow is the best tool for generate your desired picture for free. Before you use this, you have to sign up with Discord app to use this tool. As I have already signed up with this Discord, I go to the screen straightly. In this area of the screen, there is Getting Started section. You can refer these tips also for how to use this application. In order to get your drawing work done, you need to join one of this rookie group just by pressing anyone. As an example, I joined to rookie 88. When we enter the group, you will notice there are plenty of people who get their work done from this AI tool. Actually, this is like public place where you can see others' pictures also. Here, look at the screen carefully. You can see other people all over the world who are requesting their need by typing in their need in text format. Now I am going to give my request to draw a rabbit for us like this. Before type anything, you must type / the word imagine and spacebar, and then after that type your request. The moment you type spacebar, it gives a prompt to type your request. I'm asking AI to draw a rabbit with a carrot in its hand. I ask AI to draw the rabbit with hyper realistic and 8K picture quality. We'll see what type of result it will give for this text. As this is a public place, it will get some time to process our request. We'll wait patiently and see how our result looks like. Here, it has drawn the rabbit, but it's not like I expected. I asked it to draw a rabbit bearing a carrot in its hand, but it is not there. Maybe I have not explained him enough. Let me try a different picture this time. / imagine and space. You don't have to type hyper realistic 8K photos. You are free to type anything you want. Most important thing is express your idea clearly as it can understand well. This time I'm asked to draw a lady with white t-shirt and denim. Let's see this time what it draws. Here it took only few seconds to draw this beautiful picture. What I want to tell you is this picture purely drawn by the AI software, and there is no such a lady in this real world. You can use these pictures for any purpose and you will not face any copyright issues as this is done by AI software. When you get used to this application, you will find some other important functions also. To minimize the time duration of this video, I am not going to explain all of those. You can get saved these pictures to your drive. As I said earlier, all are free to use. I hope you learned something new today, and for me to continue this channel with another set of important videos, please press below subscribe button and keep in touch with me. Thank you.